In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize the canvas. The easiest way to change the size of your canvas is to come over to your tools bar and find the crop tool. It looks like two intersecting angles. When you first select it, it will either set up a bounding box like it's done right here with little anchors on the corners that I can move and change, or you'll have to click and draw your own one. But I can use this to change where it's at, where people are located, and use the kind of grid markings to set up my design the way that I think it works well. I kind of like this idea of like trying to get this person a little bit in the corner on this like rule of thirds sort of design. And there we go. You can see that it's added on a little bit extra at the top that I'm probably gonna have to crop out, but that is not that terrible. All I have to do is click and drag again with the crop tool, and you can see that it's moved it a little bit, and I can either press enter, I can click outside of the box, or I can come up to the top and press the little check mark. I can even extend things. So if I draw a box that I like, and say maybe I like this like long view, but I want it even longer, and I'm planning on adding like, I don't know, more sky and then turning it into a galaxy up there, I can drag it beyond the bounds and press enter, and you can see that now I have a very long canvas. The other way that I can change my canvas size is up in the top bar. Under image, I can come to either image size or canvas size. Canvas size will just change the canvas itself. Image size can change the resolution and the canvas size. So now you can see the exact measurements of this. And if I wanted to be very precise, maybe I'll trim this down just a little bit so that it fits, I don't know, whatever design I particularly need. That one was asking me if I'm okay with trimming it, which I was, and this looks pretty good. I'm going to have to edit some things, but that's what the rest of Photoshop is for.